And welcome back to this YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm really glad that you stopped by. So now in this video, if you wish to know on how to connect Facebook page to Instagram, then this video tutorial is perfect for you. So let's get started. The very first thing that we have to do is to open our Facebook. So now in here, if as we open our Facebook, we will be directed to our personal account. So it is a must that you have to have a business account or a business mode or a business page in your Facebook. So let's go and switch to that page account. So here it says switch. So let's just wait for a while, and then after switching to our page or Facebook page, let's just go on and click this profile icon in the upper right corner of your screen. So now after that, let's go on and scroll and look for settings and privacy. So after clicking that, let's go on and click settings. So just scroll and look for linked accounts under permissions. So now as you can see in here, we can link our accounts to Instagram and also in WhatsApp. But in this video, we're going to have a tutorial on how to link this to Instagram. So let's go and click Instagram. So let's go on and click. So this is what you're going to gain, or these are the benefits once you connect your page to the Instagram. So now as we can see in here that we can now connect to our Instagram. So let's click continue. So after that, after clicking continue, you will be directed to the Instagram application. So let's just wait for a moment. So in here, for you to be able to link to your preferred Instagram account, you just have to go on and put your phone number, username, or email, as well as with a password. So let's say in here, so if we're going to connect this one, then just go on and log in. So let's just wait for a moment until we will be able to successfully connect our Facebook page to the Instagram application. So we have to confirm still as to how we can connect your Facebook page to Instagram. So after that, after clicking continue, and then it will be successfully connected to your Instagram, and that's it. You're now good to go. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more Instagram content. Hit that notification bell so you'll never miss an upload. And until next time, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.